Welcome back to Talkin' Winter Ops and our special series highlighting organizations working in the winter operations and road weather space. I'm Rick Nelson, and on behalf of the AASHTO Committee on Maintenance, their Maintenance Operations Technical Working Group, and the Winter Weather Management Technical Service Program, we're proud to host the 2024 National Winter Maintenance and Road Weather Briefing. These briefings give organizations an opportunity to showcase their efforts to help you achieve your winter maintenance mission. Today, we're featuring the Transportation Research Board's Winter Maintenance Committee. And with us is Chair Anna. Oh, I said that wrong. I'm going to have to edit this out. Today, we're featuring the Transportation Research Board's Winter Maintenance Committee. And with us is Committee Chair Anna Arvidsson, a senior researcher in infrastructure maintenance at the Swedish National Road and Transport Research Institute. Hi, Anna.
Hello.
So tell us just a little bit about the Winter Maintenance Committee, and if you would, tell us what you've been up to for the last year.
Yeah, I have this great presentation of the committee and what we've done last year. And the new committee started in April this year, and we have a new scope. That is, this committee is concerned with effective and responsible selection and implementation of materials, technologies, and processes for controlling snow and ice on transportation infrastructure. So it's become shorter than it used to be.
Mm-hmm.
And we also elected a new members for the committee. We are at the moment 25 members. And we have 177 friends of the committee at the moment. And the highlights for the last year has been the meeting we had in Washington in January. For that conference, we had 18 papers for our committee. And it turned out to be one election session with the title Advancements in Winter Maintenance, and we had 5 presentations there. We also had a poster session with 7 posters. We had, together with the Road Weather Committee, highlights from the 2023 International Conference on Road Weather and Winter Maintenance. Sorry. Also took part in a workshop that occurred during the week there about developing maintenance research needs statements together with AKR 20 and upcoming events. We haven't done that much the last year, so upcoming events that we look forward to now is a mid-year meeting in end of August and also an annual meeting in January 25, between the dates of 5 and 9 of January. Mm-hmm. We have a triennial strategic plan that try to get the most. These bullets are the most that we're working with within the committee. We try to speed up the pace for research implementation and how to do it. We also look at the impact on winter operations on environment and human health. Automation, connection, and advancement in navigation, improving resilience at extreme events. Hiring and retention and training of winter professionals. That's high up on our list for what we want to achieve. And also a little bit about electrification and alternative fuels and see how that's going to be coming along in our working maintenance field. So during the last year, this year, the top priorities we're going to concentrate is writing research need statements, updating our websites that's not, we are not too good to maintain it, so we need to update it. Next is the paper submission. It's open now, closes in August 1st. And after that, we're going to review the papers and hopefully get a really good annual meeting in January. We will try to plan a few more activities, but we haven't come to that yet. And continue to improving diversity and the breadth of our experience in the committee. So we still have a few open places for members in the committee. If you find someone that's really want to be engaged in the committee, there's still room for a couple.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what we've been up to for the last year, I think.
So Anna, let's talk a little bit about the research needs statements. Anybody can submit a research needs statement, right? And it's really just a statement of need. It's not defining what a research project might actually look like. Is that right?
Yeah, it is. So we have a few topics that we try to concentrate on at the moment and find time in our beside our daily work. Since everyone is quite busy at the moment, we struggle to get time to write them, even if they don't need to be that specific, that we only have to show that this is lacking in research. Right.
Now, you also talked a little bit about some openings on the committee. Those are openings for members, but anyone can be engaged with the committee as a friend of the committee. And how do you go about becoming a friend of the committee?
That's quite easy. You go to mytrb.org and just look for committee and click on a button and say, I want to become a friend.
It's easy as that.
Yeah, it is.
And with that, you get all the communications of the committee, and there's nothing to stop you from working with the committee on different projects.
No, you can participate in whatever you want within the work of the committee, and just let me know, and I will really see to that you get information and be involved. And when a spot is open for a member, if you want to be a member, it's also a possibility.
All right, very good. Anna, thanks for the update on the TRB Winter Maintenance Committee. Anna's contact info and links to the TRB Winter Maintenance Committee's website are listed below this video and in the notes, so you can reach out and learn more about winter maintenance at TRB. You can listen in to all the briefings and other Talkin' Winter Ops episodes on our website, talkinwinterops.com, or wherever you get your podcast content. Video versions are available on our Talkin' Winter Ops YouTube channel. Until next time, thanks for tuning in and stay safe out there.